So this video is actually in response to my previous video. So in the Playmaker forums, there was a problem where the person was having with global arrays. So they were storing stuff in the global array, but then when they load the next scene, all the variables and values they stored in the array were gone. And Gene asked, is this a logic problem or is it a bug? Now, when I started to try and come up with a solution, I actually thought it was a bug. But when I was submitting the bug report, it turns out to be a logic problem. Sorry for the pause, I was trying to think about it. So I actually did post a reply, and I'll leave this video up here because it has an interesting sort of, I guess, solution or mechanic that you guys might get some ideas and start thinking about how to use them. So I'll leave that up there for now. But I want to just quickly address how to fix this problem. So I'll quickly show you this. So let me just explain. We have this global array, and what we're doing is we're going to add these items in. So these ones in the scene. We're going to add them to this global array. But when we load the next scene, all of a sudden it's emptied. See, the first three items are gone, and now we have these next new three. Now these are based on the logic that I implemented in the FSM. I'm not going to cover that. You can watch the previous video for that. But the reason why these three are empty is actually has to do with what we're doing. If you look in the hierarchy, there is no item A, B, C. We have these clones which refer to these ones. See? The original ones, the first three, were actually instances of the prefab. So therefore, the instances are no longer in this scene. We didn't take them with us, so they're gone. So we have references to nothing, which is what it should be. So if these are instances, how can you fix it? Well, the simple answer is actually you would use prefabs. So you would store prefabs directly, which prefabs you wanted to use, and then when you load to the next level, you're taking the prefabs with you, because these prefabs, you're pointing to the project window, the actual prefab master copy. You're not pointing to an instance which is gone when you load the next scene. So hopefully this explains and helps. So yeah, you can use global arrays to move things between scenes, but just make sure that you're actually using the prefabs from the project window and not from the hierarchy window. So from this and not from this.